Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. Today I am participating in a challenge. It's called the Ultimate Fall Wreath Challenge that's being hosted by Natalee Callahan over at Design to the Nines and Kristin Kay. And what they have asked us to do is create a fall related, Halloween related, Thanksgiving related wreath. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Miss V and my channel is focused on saving money by repurposing items you already have, by couponing, shopping on the clearance rack, do-it-yourself products, shopping at the thrift store, Dollar Tree, and anything that is budget friendly. So with that being said, I'm going to be decorating a wreath I've used this wreath. This will be my third year using it. One of my co-workers made it for me, and guess what I do? Remember I said this is a budget friendly channel, so I like the burlap and I like this ribbon, so I'm just gonna leave this on here like I do every year and just add whatever item I want to add. So that is a budget friendly way, because pretty much my style is whatever it is. I usually don't change up much, so that's why I'm able to reuse some of the same items I already have. So what I usually do, because you have it packed up, I try to fluff the burlap out, fluff it up where it won't look so flat. So that's what I'm doing right here. And so I'm gonna get it all fluffed up and I'll be back. So this is what my wreath is looking like. And also I will link the two host channels in the description box, and I also have a link to the playlist, so you can go watch everyone's wreath display. So the item that I'm going to choose, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but I may use this mason jar from the Dollar Tree. I have these acorns and pine cones that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year for 99 cents. They were 90% off. And I also have some sunflowers. So those are my choices for redecorating this wreath. So I'm thinking I wanted to put the sign in the middle, but I don't really like the way that looks. Let me see. Or I can put it over to the side. So I'm just gonna play with it till I get it to my liking. So I'm gonna put some music on and let you just enjoy the video. I'm gonna cut the back of these sunflowers off so we can lay flat on the mason jar.